it. I'm so excited to see y'all today. And unfortunately, the plus call, the FTDF plus call, First Still Done Fast, the First Still Done Fast call and the mastermind call went a little over because we're women and we like to talk. And what more fun can we have than talking about real estate deals and goals and things that we got going on? So yay! But unfortunately, that means that the Q&A session will be cut short again this week. But next week I will be in Tampa. I will be hanging out in the hotel. I will have nothing else to do except chit chat with y'all. So next week we may have a really long Ask Me Anything session about real estate investing. Today I'm super excited because I have a mastermind, and it's the She Buys It Mastermind. Everything is She Buys It these days, but the She Buys It Mastermind. And when you're in the mastermind for a year, my gift is I come and do a VIP day with you. So today I'm going to see Sheila Britt's honey hole. All right, so I'm in Washington State. I'm in Clarkston, Washington, and I'm going to see her wholesale deals that she's done. She's got a flip in progress. She's got some other leads in progress. We've got some sellers to go talk to. We've got lots of things to do, and I am waiting on her to come get me right there at that door. And then I'm going to spend the whole day with her. So I will answer as many questions as I can today, but next week I will take lots and lots and lots of time to answer the questions from last week and the ones that I don't get to this week. So let's get started. Lisa says, do you have any thoughts on turnkeys? And yes, I have lots of thoughts on turnkeys, but what I will tell you is, unless you are already at a financial level where you don't care if you lose money or not, I do not encourage turnkeys. I think there is a lot of knowledge and experience and golden nuggets that you will get by being out there and working your leads. I want you to turn your leads into deals. I want you to learn how to talk to sellers on the phone. I want you to learn how to make offers as you're walking through the property. I want you to learn how to negotiate on the phone, learn the difference in emails. I want you to learn all these things because I help new investors become millionaires. Once you're already a millionaire, then do turnkeys. Because you already have that foundation, you already have the experience, you already have the knowledge, you already have the things. But when you're on your way to becoming a millionaire, it is super important that you do the work. Because a turnkey is awesome as long as it's just turning a key and walking in and taking over. But if something goes wrong and you've got your entire life savings in a turnkey, you don't have the foundation to keep it spinning. So those are my thoughts on turnkeys. Do the work in the beginning so that you can buy turnkeys later. And I've been investing for 7 years now. I think I have anything that's been completely turnkey that I haven't tinkered with and messed with and flip-flopped around at least once. All right. Even my land, I had to do some work to it. So turnkey, especially for new investors, when you have $3 million worth of assets with no debt on it, then we can talk about turnkeys. Then we can talk about something different. But for right now, the conversation for newbies becoming millionaires, I want you to do the work. All right, Dawn says, yellow letters. Do you mail to the same people over and over again like you would with postcards? Are the yellow letters effective with different property types? So I love yellow letters, and my yellow letters are totally different. The yellow letters that I teach you to send in First Still Done Fast, there's like 6 different variations of yellow letters that I teach you to send, and my strategy is totally different than anybody else's strategy because I look at everything as if I was receiving it. If I was on the other end, would this make me feel happy in my lady's heart? Would this make me happy in my people brain? Would this make me happy and fit my timeline as a busy person? So when I teach you yellow letters, I teach you how I would want to receive it. I teach you how I get success with yellow letters, and I teach you how all the other 200 girls in women, the other 200 women in First Still Done Fast, I teach you how they're getting success all over the country. And there's different little variations. I was on a call with Andrea yesterday, and she is a person, and I really try to use you as an individual person to pull out the best yellow letter for you to send. We got to try it. We got to test it. We got to monitor it. We got to do some things. Yes, that's totally true and good. But there is a blanket level where I want you to be at. So to answer your question, you can. Leslie Bradley was the first mastermind graduate, and she sends out yellow letters to the same people over and over and over and over and over again. And that's a strategy that she has with her specific change in yellow letters versus postcards versus all that stuff. I hear Sheila coming now. So yes, you can mail to the same people over and over again, but you don't want to do it with the same pitch all the time. And so I've got different variations of things that I teach in First Still Done Fast like that. All right. I'm sorry, but I have to go. I will get back with y'all. You're super important to me, but today is all about the mastermind, and actually the rest of the week is all about the mastermind. Those are my girls, y'all. They're out there getting the deals done. Okay, I'm coming. Okay. Bye. Love you all very much. I'll be back with you next week to really dig in and answer these questions.